Yeah, Dairy Queen so long. That look good. That green and blue.
I just realized we was a Dairy Queen line.
I told you that, stupid. I said you getting Dairy Queen. You said
Oh God, I thought it was Ashby.
Well, you thought wrong, dumbass. That's why I had asked you. Stupid ass nigga. Well, you getting Dairy Queen today?
Shit, I guess so.
Dumbass.
What you getting?
I ain't getting this shit. Oh. You the ones up there. The animal cookie. Ooh, I like they little blast and stuff. Ooh, they look good. That green and yellow spring treat. That looks good. Oh, we ain't had Dairy Queen since we was like when I was in high school. Oh. So we ended up getting Dairy Queen, y'all. Cause this slushy looked really good. And I didn't know it came with ice cream, so right past the remote. Right here. It's right here. I was cleaning up. Come on. Alright. I don't know when I had vlogged last time. I don't know if I showed any food, but we got the same thing. I don't know if I recorded. We got some Texas Roadhouse. Earlier we had Dairy Queen. That slush was so good. So we got what else I had got? We just got some Sonic, a Sonic slush, because that Dairy Queen slush was so good. He mixed my hands over here, so I was like, we gotta get mine. You okay? So ready? We got tell y'all what we got. We got it's a series. Okay, we can watch something else if you want to. We finna probably watch Who Killed Sarah. What we just got through watching today?
Black Man.
Black Man. Come out with the man.
Yeah.
That what they called? Oh, so let's see what we finna watch now. But we got some bread, of course. We got the ribeye, 12 ounce with the Fort Worth, right?
Like Fort Worth,
Texas, yeah. Ribeye steak with well done. I'm about to eat old pink ass meat. Wrong child, medium rare. Ugh, y'all nasty. And then it say I got a Caesar salad and baked potato, and he got a fried chicken. What you got? It just say fried chicken baker and a loaded potato with rice.
I got the country home style.
Oh, country home style. That shit say that shit say oh god. Yeah, it just say fried chicken baker. And we got our baby right here. One of our babies is with Granny, and he just came back from Granny. Yeah. You trying to eat my food? You trying to eat my food? You trying to eat my... Oh, I know what I came in here. Show y'all my nails. I did for the first time, y'all. Look at my nails. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see. Hold on. So this is my first time doing this one. I don't really like that one, but this is my first time doing them. I did good. We gonna have to eat for our food get cold. We up there talking. Woo. They look real good though. For the first time, for some people, junk be looking real crazy, but this is nice. Why is this camera so blue? Yeah. So, yeah, y'all. So now I just do my own nails. My cousin want me to do her nails. So I probably do her nails this weekend, and then I did my little sister's nails, but they was real short. What we finna watch?
Trying to see big head.
Oh, trying to see still.
Baby.
All right, let me open this food so we can start eating. All right, y'all, so this is all like the little side stuff. This is my salad, which is this is the Caesar salad. Then we have, this is his. Oh, wait. You got brown gravy or white gravy?
Brown.
I think this is what that is. And some rice, yeah. He got some rice. I'm gonna open it. With his baked potato and this. So he pulled this on top of it. And then this is for the potatoes and stuff. Then we got the rolls. And then mine. This look, where I had? I don't think I had this one last time, babe. I hate when they be burning stuff right there. Alright, but yeah, this is what I got. I hate like burn of anything. What's funny, huh?
It's funny. You know I'm finna get it, mommy.
Okay, what we watching? Hannibal Rising? Hannibal Lecter? That? I don't wanna watch this.
But it's Hannibal. It's not. You haven't seen this. It's about like why he's Hannibal Lecter. So just chill out.
Why we eating?
Man, hey, just chill out.
Why we eating?
You can find something. Here you go. I got you. You go while we kids.
I'll be back.
God ain't gonna stop.
Damn, that's crazy.
So motorcycles can outrun police all day.
Yeah, that's crazy. I knew I heard this shit behind me. Y'all, they caught them. Oh, they caught them. Is them the ones?
I think they probably had an accident.
Oh, damn. Them ain't the biker ones though. I thought it was the biker boys. Them folks gone. Man, look folks. Hey y'all. So we are in Atlantic Station, right? Yeah. We just got here and I just been fucking with my hair the whole time.
Yeah.
He said it looked alright. But we just seen some people getting chased by the police on their bikes or whatever.
Yeah,
just
and they got away.
He said, yeah, and they got away.
Them bitches go like 270.
Yeah, 270. Which way you going, babe?
We walk down here.
Okay.
Unless you want to go on like DSW and Kirkland down there.
No. He got a little,
they got a Woods Park.
Little sitting area. We got better light right here.
You give me some lottery ticket. I know I'm finna hit.
You ain't going nowhere.
Show my shoes.
Show me your shoes.
No, just, okay.
Oh, we can do a little OT. What it is? Outfit of the day. Do
I might put my green shorts on.
Come on, you can do me then, man.
Oh, okay.
You can do me. Little outfit of the day, even though he ain't show the bottom.
All right, I can't. There you go. Okay.
Give it here. You a badass cameraman. Man, he probably think it's folk behind us. Fuck them folk.
They gotta give me some look at here.
He'll be alright. So anyway, yeah, we in Atlantic Station. We just walking around like everybody else. Let me show y'all. Show y'all what's going on. Yeah, we in H&M. Come on, let's go to Mirror, babe. That H&M look way better than ours.
Okay.
Look like they got way more stuff.
Okay.
So everybody got their name, don't it? Got scared. Yeah, nah. Are you crazy?
Man, this girl is so silly. Oh. Hold on, I be nervous. She know I'm high as hell.
Baby, I ain't paying no attention to these photos. They got a photo booth, baby. You wanna take some photos?
Oh, man.
Why not? Come on, let's take some photos, baby.
Hey, that camera right there, how much money I pay for that?
Come on, let's take some photos. I convinced him to do this. Alright, y'all.
Oh, dropping the money.
Alright.
Let's see how this shit works.
Hold on, I want to be ready. Hold on. Hey, y'all, so it don't work. I don't know. I don't think it works. You keep on saying swipe forward, and we keep putting the swiping the forward and you doing it. So, hating ass machine. Hold on, baby. You gotta put my stuff up.
Oh, my bad.
But rushing me. Come on, get out of here. Open that damn thing. Touching this shit. Open that thing. Thank you. Come on, open that thing. Come on. Okay. Gonna go up this thing. Well, that would be a nice spot to eat at. Oh my god, terrible. Anyways, y'all, we made it to our destination. I still don't know where we're going, but we here. Babe, hold on. Dang, alright. Dang, since you wanna rush me. You wanna rush me on my day? Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Go ahead, close the door, sir. Oh, I gotta get my mask. Do I gotta get a new one? You rushing me on my day. Technically, Mother's Day tomorrow, but I wanted to get out today. I wanted to chill on Mother's Day. Maybe I got it. Maybe I got my mask. What's the point of putting makeup on if it just don't come on the mask? I'm finna look now, babe. He keep rushing me for something. Yeah, I got it. Got makeup on it. I got some other ones, but it still don't get makeup on it. So what's the point of changing them out? It's gonna get makeup on it. So yeah, I wanted to get out today. It's Saturday, but let me get my jacket. I'm sorry. Yes, I wanted to get out today, not tomorrow. And he got me some, and I want to open it tomorrow, not today. You good? You got your jacket? You need yours?
No, I'm sure.
Okay. Okay. Let's go. So yeah, that's what we doing. We're going out to eat right now. And I'll just see how we get in. Hey y'all, it's just way too much going on down here. Oh. Look at these foods here. Oh, but I don't think I told y'all what we was. We in Atlanta. Every time we come down here, it's just the run around every damn time. My throat keep itching, but turn that damn boogie me down and shit. He trying to find something to eat. These motherfuckers, fucking reservations and everything. Basically, gotta put orders in and stuff. I guess cause on the COVID happened. Cause he took me to a place that I was saying I didn't know, but we was gonna go. I'm sorry, y'all. He took me somewhere. I didn't know where we was going, and then it was like we had to wait a whole hour, so we left. The other place next to it was booked, so we had to leave. And then we went to right here. Oh, here go the place we're gonna get food from. These folks waiting outside. Ooh, it just blow everywhere. My throat itching like here. Man, you gotta have an idea to get in that bitch. You like the fucking club. Man, That's crazy. Motherfuckers gotta have ID to get in. Ooh, he patting them niggas ass down. That's crazy. He patting them down, y'all. Ooh, so he in trouble, ain't it? The lady said, Larry, get back here. He probably thought he folded it now. But oh yeah, what I was saying, so we ordered from this place, what's it called? BQE, the BQE restaurant. Because everything is fucking closed up here. Like, what the fuck? It's fucking 10:28. It's just like a port in the streets every fucking world. Like, look at my toes. Oh, they got it's a party. It's a party down here. You ain't even gotta fucking go nowhere. You can just ride the Atlanta streets and shit just happening. It's just crazy. But yeah, Mother's Day tomorrow, May the 9th, 2021. I'm gonna be resting, going to give folks their gifts and all this other shit. And I just tell y'all more about it tomorrow because I'm really sleepy. I fell asleep. Oh, I was telling them about Kirk and Rashida. I think it's more probably of Kirk's, but I don't know. But we went to their restaurant because she was like, it's first come, first serve. Man, that shit was so blown. We just kept riding. Like, who finna know? Hell no. And they closed at 1 though, but we don't like waiting. That's all been happening down here. Folks been getting pulled over and shit. And then, like, these motherfuckers down here, they don't as soon as the light turn green, they blowing at you. At first it was funny, but they did it the second time, just different people. When the light, something must happen down here, cause folks, that's fucking ridiculous, man. Nigga on a bike and shit. Man, that shit was funny to hear that man on that motorcycle. Oh yeah, so y'all, I'm so tired. But I just had to see y'all when we get the food or whatever, cause I'm really tired. This is like my Mother's Day to me. Cause I don't want to do nothing tomorrow. Might have to though, cause today was just that. Man, I thought you were getting us something to drink. It's okay. He's tired. It's okay, babe. He tired. We might end up taking a nap out of it. It's so tired. My hair, y'all, I'm taking this shit down. Like, the braids still look good, but since these are knotless, it look like, I feel like it kind of make it look old, like right here for some reason. Let me see. I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. Well, no. Look at my head. I had my hair slick good, but I don't know. So like right here, cause my hair's so dark, I feel like it makes my hair look old, but see, and my hair is growing like baby hairs. I don't know, but I'm ready to take this shit down. I'm taking this shit down tomorrow. I got it down. I mean, I got it done like a couple of days before Easter, so what, a month? A month and a half, or a month and a week or two. I don't know. It's coming out. And I think he up here asleep. This new camera, woo! This new camera, what's it called? It be out of focus like hell. My last camera ain't do all that. I should have got the G7X3, but I ain't even know they had a 3 until I was searching for this one. And I just got this one, which I shouldn't have got this one. I should have got the other one. Now I want to get the other one. I see if I can take this bitch back and get the other one back. I'm so sleepy. I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So this is what I have. Ooh, feel like it's raw. He got this. I don't want to open his food, but they ain't giving no forks, no man. Just crazy. We've been waiting. Like, wow. Atlanta should be ashamed. Like, our food is warm. The chicken is good. The yams good. The collard greens taste weird. This is like ridiculous. My husband is tired. We tired. Like every time we come up here, it's like some bullshit. You can't see nothing, can it? This is on front camera, babe. Look.
Oh,
There you
yeah.
go. Now you can see.
Oh yeah. Like oh yeah. Look at that thing, boy. That thing shining.
Okay.
It's just shining. That is crazy. Good like a superstar. He is a superstar. Fine stuff. You can see it way back there.
But you
That boy
so
spend
big,
big money
my
on
breast
that. Oh,
is
no.
still starting to show.
The boy said big money on that. You get big money on that. There you go.
Okay.
And it vibrates. It vibrates by her heartbeat.